Hey guys, it's Mad Tzen here. I hope you're all doing well. Do you struggle in how to make gradients in Procreate? If so, I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to make a gradient in Procreate. So you'll want to stay until the end of the video to get a result like this to this, then get a stunning result like this. Welcome back, guys. The first thing I'm gonna do is come up here to the color wheel and I'll choose colors for the gradient effect. So the first color I'll go with is this purple here and I'll drag it onto the canvas. Next, I'll go to layers and add a new layer. Then I'll go back to the color wheel and choose this orange here and I'll drag it onto the canvas. Then I'll click on the transform tool up here, which will bring up a menu at the bottom of the screen. Make sure that freeform is selected. Then I'll click on snapping. Then we'll need to make sure that snapping is toggled on right here. Then I'll take my pen to where this blue node is and I'll lift it up until I reach halfway. If you've toggled on snapping, the orange layer should automatically snap halfway. If that doesn't work for you, there should be a horizontal guideline you can use to help you place your color halfway. Then I'll click on adjustments up here, then go down and click on Gaussian blur. Then I'll take my pen and slide it on the canvas from left to right until I reach 25%. Then I'll just click on the adjustments tool again to commit. If you're enjoying the content so far, you can give this video a like and comment below to let me know if this is helpful. If you have any problems, you can also leave your questions down below. Now let's come back to the tutorial. We'll go back to layers and I'll merge the purple and the orange together by pinching it like so. So now that we have a nice gradient, I'll continue with the text layer. I'll add a new layer above the gradient. Then I'll go to the actions button up here, click on the add tab, then click on add text. Then I'll go to the color wheel and choose white to turn the text white. Next, I'm gonna type my word. So I'll go to the keyboard button down here, then click show keyboard. Then I'll type the word Procreate. I imported the font that I'm using into Procreate. If you're interested in knowing how to import or change fonts, I'll leave tutorial links to those down in the description below. Next, I'll click on the transform tool. Then I'll use the blue node surrounding the word to make the text larger. I'll make the text large enough so that it snaps to the left and right sides of the canvas. Then I'll move the text up or down the canvas until I'm happy with how it's placed. Now that that's done, I'll go to layers and I'll move the Procreate text under the gradient layer. Then I'll click on the gradient icon for a list to show up on the left. Then I'll choose clipping mask from that list. The gradient should now be inside the text. If you'd like a transparent background, just go back to layers and toggle off the background color layer down here. You can also learn more about Procreate through watching my other tutorials, which I'll leave a link above and also in the description below. And I'll see you in the next Procreate tutorial. And as always, thanks for watching.